Hey guys, welcome to the first video on my YouTube channel. My name is Rohan and I am a fourth year computer science student, and I'm also a Python and web developer. So today for the first video, what I'll be doing is making a bot, an Amazon bot written in Python that will allow us to log into Amazon, or not really log into Amazon, but open Amazon on our browser, type in a search result like an item we're looking for, hit the enter button, and get a list of all the items that we're looking for. And with the holidays being around the corner, Thanksgiving being about a week away, or at the time of this video only days away, and with Black Friday and COVID and everyone wanting to social distance and stay home, this is a great way to make sure you get those amazing steals and deals while staying home and ensuring that nothing you want gets sold out. So with that being said, let's get into it. So to recap what you just saw there in the time lapse, what we're doing is importing a few things from a couple libraries, the WebDriver for taking control of our web browser, the Chrome driver manager to make sure that it's installed, and if it's not, to go ahead and install it for the user so the program does work, and then the keys library to be able to type in automatically into the search bar the item it is that we're looking for, and all of that allows our browser to open Amazon.com, type in the item that we're looking for. In this case, it was the new iPad Air 4, and to bring up all the search results. And the things you could do with this are endless. You could have it select the item, add it to your cart, pay for you, and have it shipped as well. All those things can easily be done with just a few modifications to this program, but this is just the basic web scraping that you can do with Python, and I'll be doing more videos about this in the future. Until then, happy Thanksgiving. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit the like button and the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.